Hello, traders. Welcome again to another market breakdown. It's been a while. I remain your host, Abadasanan, and in this video, we're going to take a look at NZD CHF, which is the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. And I'm going to break down this trade in the live market and tell you exactly how the trade setup was formulated and how I am currently in this trade. So, without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So we're going to take a look at the setup time frame, which in this scenario is the 4 hour time frame, and we're just going to analyze the market on the 4 hour time frame, and then we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame, which is our entry time frame, and pretty much I'm going to show you my entry, my stop loss, and my take profit. Okay, so firstly, we can tell from the 4 hour time frame, and if you look past that, we are in a downtrend, right? The market has not created any recent higher high. We've just had a series of lower lows and lower highs, so pretty much we're in a downtrend, right? And then we can also identify from this recent trend to the downside that we are still in a downtrend. And pretty much what I like to do personally is to trade in the direction that the market is currently in. I do not like to try to forecast or try to guess where the market is going to go to next. I just try to react from where the market is at the moment, and pretty much I try to draft. I try to draft a you know just a little bit of trading plan towards where the market currently is, and I trade from what I see in the market. And currently, we're in a downtrend. It's just clearly visible. We're creating a series of lower lows and lower highs. So, as long as the market remains in a downtrend, I would remain bearish on this pair. Okay, so pretty much the first thing we should do, I can take off this trend line and I'm going to mark at the recent lower high. Okay, so this is a recent lower high, and let's zoom into the chart so that you guys can see clearly. Right, so this is a recent lower high on the 4 hour time frame, and with this level right here we can take this um zone or this price action to be the recent or the previous lower low, right? Because this low is lower than this low, and then the market sort of and broke this previous lower low to create a recent lower low, right? So this is a low that we're currently trading off from, and the market now is reacting. Has made this move to the upside and into an area of interest where I'll be looking to take the sell. So moving down on the 1 hour time frame, okay, this is pretty much my setup um, on this pair, right? We had the break of structure to the downside. We had this area of liquidity right here that I wanted the market to sweep, this area of liquidity, right? And after we created, the market actually made a little bit of imbalances to the left of my screen. We have this area right here where I wanted the price to reach and trade off from. Okay, so this area of imbalance, order block right here, because it's not pretty much the best order block you can get, because this bearish candlestick is not really a momentum candlestick, but nevertheless is I'm trading off what I see, and I took this area as an area of interest, right? So we had the market trade back into this area, and I was interested in taking sales from this area, right? Once the market swept through this liquidity, I wanted the market to get back to this order block and then take the sell from this level. So pretty much on the 1 hour time frame, we had a reaction from there, the first reaction, but this was based off the Swiss franc news that came out early hours of today. We had the interest rate decision, and so the market moved to the upside very very fast, and then reacted from this area right here, which is it tells me that this area could hold as a strong order zone or order block. So I waited for the market to react and get back into the zone, and after the market traded back into this level, I took a trade right there right now in the live market. So this is my trade right here, and my entry is at, so sooner rather than my entry is at 0.5, um, let me bring that up. So 0.57 500, and my stop loss is at 0.57 700, and my take profit is at 0.57 0.56 200, right? Because I see okay, that's a little bit 0.57 500, 0.56 5 6 200. Okay, cool. So this is my entry. I see to this side we also have an order block, and this might be a strong level that the market will get back to, or might get back into, because we have a lot of imbalances, and the market should come back into this level and trade off from this level. So pretty much this is my trade on the NZD CHF. We walked down from the 4 hour time frame where we realized, or we noticed, that we're in a downtrend, and after identifying that we're in a downtrend, we identified the breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame, and then we also identified a level of order block and liquidity to the upside, where we expected the market to sweep through, and now we expect the market to sell off back towards 0.562. So this is my trade on NZD and pretty much I share this trade with my client on my Telegram group. So if you want access to my Telegram VIP group, the link will be in the description below, so you can message me privately on Telegram, and I can get you into the VIP group. And if you find this video helpful in any way, and you like this content, please don't forget to like this video and considering subscribing to the channel, so that you can get notified when I post a follow-up video, because I'm going to make a follow-up video of this trade. This is a live market, this is a live trade in the live market, so I'm going to make a second video showing you guys how the trade played out and how I was able to manage my trade, as the market went in my direction or went against me. So either way, you get a follow-up video. So I hope you find this video helpful and insightful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.